Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to enlarge a shape using a positive scale factor. So the enlargement is described by one, the scale factor, and two, the position of the enlarged shape is described by the center of enlargement. So remember scale factor and the center of enlargement. Now, you might see questions like this where the center of enlargement is not shown. For example, here we have this triangle ABC, and it says enlarge it with a scale factor 2. Now, because the center of enlargement is not shown, then the position of the new enlarged shape can be anywhere on the plane. So anywhere on your paper, on your worksheet. As far as the sizes of the corresponding sides of the new shape, of the enlarged shape, are double the sizes of the sides of the first shapes of the triangle ABC in this case. So you are going to need to use a ruler to measure each shape. So for example, I'm going to measure the sides on my computer screen. So BC is 4 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter. So B dash, C dash is going to be double that because the scale factor is 2. So 2 times 4 equals 8 centimeter. Okay, double this one. Right, and then AB, I'm going to measure AB. AB is 3.5 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. So A dash, B dash is going to be double that. So 2 times 3.5. And my answer is going to be 7 centimeter long. And AC, let's measure AC. AC looks like 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 centimeter. So A dash, C dash is going to be 2 times 2.5, okay? And so the answer is going to be 5 centimeter. So now I have the length of each new triangle, 8, 7, and 5. Now I'm going to build the enlarged triangle. And how am I going to build it? You know how to build a triangle, you might have learned in class. So I would suggest you to, for example, BC, make a parallel line. BC, so B dash, C dash is going to be 8 centimeter. Draw a parallel line of BC, but 8 centimeter long, somewhere here. And next one, AB, again, another parallel line with AB. So A dash, B dash is going to be 7 centimeter long. So it's going to look like that. And there you go. So A dash, B dash, C dash. This is the new enlarged shape. So as far as the corresponding sides are double. And of course, the corners should be, the corresponding corners, angles should be the same. So this is what you have to be careful with. But the position, it doesn't matter, wherever on the worksheet. But if we know the center of enlargement, then the position is described by the center of enlargement. So it cannot be anywhere on the worksheet. So this is what happens. I'm going to explain you two methods. The first one is the measuring the distances method. And the second one, it is the column vector method. So let's have a look at the first one, measure the distance. So this is the center of enlargement, minus 1, 1. And I'm going to call this a P. And this is my shape A, B, C. Now, the measuring the distance. So what you need to do now, you need to measure the distance from the center of enlargement to each corner. For example, from the center of enlargement, now, so not the sizes of the each side of the triangle, okay, but the distance from the center of enlargement to each corner. So the first one, so PB, it is 3 centimeter. So PB dash is going to be 3 times 2, because the scale factor is 2, equals 6 centimeter. And so take a ruler to locate where P dash 6 centimeter is exactly here. And then plot B dash. Do exactly the same thing with other point. Now measure PC. So PC, How long is PC? So from the center of the enlargement to the other corner. PC, he appears to be 7 centimeters long. So 7 centimeter. And so PC dash is going to be double that. So 7 times 2 equals 14 centimeter. 14 centimeters. So from P to P C dash 14 centimeter, and then so it's going to be exactly, so it's going to be exactly, so 14, so exactly here. So this is where the C dash is going to be, C dash, somewhere here. Okay, and then now I'm going to measure PA. PA is 6 and 5, is 7 with me, PA, it is again 7. So PA dash is going to be 7 times 2 equals 14 centimeters long. And so you take a ruler and measure on this distance P 14 centimeters long. So A dash is going to be somewhere here, right? And so after you finish this process, then what you need to do, you have plotted already A dash, B dash, and C dash. So what you need to do is join these points with the line, with a straight line. Please use a ruler. There you go. And yeah, so this is the, there you go. So this is the triangle, the enlarged triangle, scale factor 2, center of enlargement minus 1, 1. Right? So how did you do this? We drew lines that go from the center of enlargement to each corner of the triangle that you are given, and then measure the distance from the center of enlargement to each corner and double it to find out where the new corners are going to be. Why do we double it? Because the scale factor is 2. Now, let's have a look at the other method. Now, the other method is much more accurate, but it requires a little bit of work before. Now, the second method is called a vector method. So you have to write down the column vector to get from the center of enlargement P to each corner, so to B. So the column vector to go from P to B is going to be, can you see, 2 to the right and 2 up. So for corner B, it is going to be 2, 2. Now, to go to the B dash, which we don't know yet, we have to multiply this one by 2. So multiply this by 2, and then you get 4, 4. This is the B dash. This is where the B dash is going to be. But now 4, 4. So you need to start from the center of enlargement. So you go 4 to the right and 4 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 up. And the B dash is going to be right there. Now, let's find out the column vector to get from the center of enlargement to the other corner, corner C. So let's have a look. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we go 6 to the right, okay? And how many up? 1, 2, 3, 3 up. So it is 6 to the right, so 6 and a 3. So both of them positive. Again, we multiply this by 2 to get the C dash. And C dash is going to be 12, 6, C dash, C dash. Now, 12, 6 means 12 to the right, 6 up from the center of enlargement. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is 12 to the right. Now someone said, oh, but this is 11. It is 11, but then you begin counting from the center of enlargement. So this is where you have to be very careful. So 12 to the right from the center of enlargement, and then 6 up. So from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is going to land right there. So this is the C. Can you see how much more accurate this method is? So we have B dash, we have C dash. Now, next one is going to be A, point A. Now, the coordinate, the column vector of point A to get from the center of enlargement P to corner A is going to be. So let's have a look. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, I think 4.5. 4.5, can you see? 4.5 to the right. So 4.5 to the right. Okay, and then up we go. How many up? Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.5, 4.5 up. So 4.5 to the right, 4.5 up. So 4.5. So this is the column vector to get to corner A from the center of enlargement. And so multiply that by 2. Why do we multiply by 2 again? Because the scale factor is 2. And so the column vector to get now from the center of enlargement to point A dash is going to be 9, 9. So let's count 9 to the right and 9 up from the center of enlargement P. Okay, let's start together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 to the right, and then we go 9 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right there. Okay, and so we have A dash, B dash, C dash. All you need to do now is join the points with a straight line, always using a ruler, always using a ruler, straight lines. So you use a ruler, okay? There you go. So this is going to be the new enlarged shape. So it's right here. Okay, can you see? Can you see the points? They have landed exactly where they should land. So this is the much more accurate method than the other one. But if you are very good with the other one, if you understand the other one much easier than this one, then you stick to the other one. So these are the two methods that you have to choose from to enlarge a shape using a positive scale factor. We are going to learn in a moment how to enlarge a shape using a negative scale factor, using both methods, and a fractional scale factor using both methods. So you can choose from both of them. So for now, thank you very much for watching my steps. Bye-bye.